With the election season officially on, President Aquino proclaimed the administration's powerhouse senatorial slate for the 2013 midterm polls. The slate included 5 incumbent senators, 1 incumbent congressman, 4 former lawmakers, a cabinet official, and a cousin of the president. The occasion also saw the signing of a coalition agreement between the Liberal Party and 5 other political parties. Elena Luna reports.
Club Filipino marks another page in the history of the Liberal Party as President Aquino formally endorses the 12 senatorial bets of the administration. In the same venue where he declared his candidacy 3 years ago, the President witnessed the signing of the coalition agreement represented by the heads of 6 political parties. It was DILG Secretary Mar Rojas, the President of the Liberal Party, who introduced each candidate under the LP coalition.
Magiging sagisag sila ng tuwid na landas. Magsisilbi sila ng marangal. Uunahin nila ang bayan bago ang sarili. Iyan naman po talaga ang aming naging batayan, prinsipyo sa alyansang ito. Kailangan makita ng taong bayan na gagawin natin ang lahat upang magkaroon ng malinaw na mandato ang mga mananalo sa susunod na halalan. Hindi pwedeng may duda o maging questionable ang kanilang panalo.
3 are from the Liberal Party, namely former Senator Ramon June Magsaysay, the President's cousin Paulo Benigno Bam Aquino IV, and former Senator Jambi Madrigal. Another 3 are from the Nationalista Party. They are Senators Alan Peter Cayetano and Antonio Trillanes IV and former Las Piñas Representative Cynthia Villar. Senator Loren Legarda represented the National People's Coalition, while Aurora Congressman Juan Edgardo Angara is the bet from Laban ng Demokratikong Pilipino. Also in the lineup is former Akbayan Representative Risa Ontiveros. 3 independent candidates made it to the United Senatorial slate. They are Senator Francis Escudero, MTRCB Chair Grace Polia Manzares, and Senator Aquilino Coco Pimentel III. According to the President, these 12 were chosen from a short list of 40 names.
Gusto pa namin lalong pumaspas at ibinibigay namin sa inyo ang mga katulong ninyong lalong magpapabilis sa pagbabago. Huwag natin sayangin ang pagkakataon na magsama para bumuo ng isang orkestrang iisang tunog, iisang kumpas, iisang timpla na magpapatuloy na magandang himig na ating tinatamasa. Sa halip ng mga soloistang sintonado at sarili lang ang pinahahalagaan. Ang masisiguro ko po sa inyo, ang 12 kandidatong inahahain ng samahang ito ang tutulong sa pagpitas ng mga reformang ipinunla natin nitong huling 2 taon. Itong huling 2 taon, 3 buwan at 1 araw. Hindi po bilang na eksakto yan. Nangangako po sila sa atin. Hindi sila magnanakaw. Lalo nilang papapaspasin ang tinatamasa nating pagbabago. Hindi nila bibiguin ang inyong tiwala. Kayo pa rin ang taong bayan ang aming boss.
The President, as chairman of the Liberal Party, has designated Senator Franklin Drilon to be the campaign manager. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.